Hello guys, Craig from fixitfallows, and today I'm bringing you a very brief quick video all about buying on AliExpress. Now you've seen in many of my other videos I've had some pretty good stuff off there, and I'm really quite happy with AliExpress. But I ordered this and this and they turned out to be deals too good to be true. So this was a set of 8 garage drawers, and this was a set of shelving units for the garage. About £12 for this one and about £15 for this one. Clearly too good to be true. So my delivery came today. It came through the letterbox, and this is it. Yep, inside here apparently is a set of drawer units and a set of shelving units. Yeah, what a joke. So inside both these packets are little sachets. Apparently this, when you Google translate it, is a sachet of sealant or cement, something of that description, but totally and utterly different from what I ordered. So seems to be a bit of a scam. Needless to say, I've registered a refund and I've got to return these, and hopefully I'll be getting my money back. But just let this be a warning to you. If something looks too good to be true, it probably is. Anyway, there you go. Yeah, I should know better really, but anyway, be safe out there, be lucky, and I'll see you again very soon.